Today we want to look at the conclusion of the Waec 2026 registration, and this is about the CAS registration. So we've completed the building of our application. We've completed the building of the application module for CAS refill. So this application is able to help you enter your CS automatically. It's actually in a long location. So our application will help you to solve the problem of manual CAS entry. I'll just put it on my download. So as you know, for the SSC we have built several modules that helps you do a lot of things like name modification, date of birth, correction of data, subjects and others. So what we try to achieve is the fact that a lot of students might have suffered the issue of name correction miswritten during the registration of CAS, and since that is fixed, right now we created the software for updating your CA. This software is able to update CAs within seconds and is the CA automation provision suite, and that is part of the very exam application. So when the application is combined in its totality, all these functions will be inserted. We are still working on the Neco part, which will also be added, and as you know, this application costs only about $20. That is around 30,000 naira for those who have paid for the premium subscription. But for those who haven't paid, if you need this very software, automation software that helps you to write to register your students without any manual entry, we made this software to be priced at 5,000 naira, and that is for only this suit for entry of CAS. So if you have 20 schools, you are still paying the same price. If you are registering 10 schools, you are still paying the same price. Any center at all out of the 32,006 centers that are available on the Waec database, both Nigeria, Ghana, Sierra Leone, all these 5 countries writing Waec, you can be able to use this software there, and all you need is to provide the center number here, and then you select the CAS here, because you know previously we created the software to be able to only allow you to insert the first year and then it takes over from the second. But right now this version can be able to update your CA for the first, second and the third year, all without you suffering yourself. All you need to do is register your candidate, select the year you want to provide, set the center number, and it automatically inserts the CA for you. After inserting the CA, just go ahead and upload your application, your students. So this will help reduce a lot of errors, and we're also working on an AI feature that will help to detect errors inside the database, because sometimes there are some mismatch, maybe due to updates or due to changes, and then it might corrupt the database. So for this software, it will help to check consistencies inside the database in case of any update, so that you can be able to modify them as required, and the software can help to fix them. If it finds a data that doesn't correspond to any field, it can be able to resolve that for you. So this is the CA automation for Waec. Now for those who requested for this Neco taught CA video, please, the Neco taught CA video is not something that I'm supposed to do now because it is actually not active yet, but I'll show you what will happen when it becomes active. Now let's launch. Neco is actually very slow, so you have to bear with me. I would say, for example, I have these schools that are on my system, and they are all schools with large number of candidates. So first of all, you click the school. I'll just select a dummy school. Since the candidates are uploaded, or the candidates would have been uploaded, all you need to do is to go to upload. If the candidates are going to be uploaded, you check the payment and then proceed to upload your candidate. After uploading your candidate, the next thing is to go to the registration, and because there is an issue with this version of the software, you won't be able to access the third year CA from this very system. Let's use a school that has an uploaded candidate. So I'll take the completed. Okay. So you see, the system is not yet updated, so probably they will provide an updated version of the system that allows you to enter the third year CA. This is it. So this is the issue with the Neco. They might fix it, we don't know, but when the time comes, they would alert us what to do with the system as regard to third year CA. So if there's anything else, you have to wait for Neco to respond. I'll speak to the head office and know if there's an issue. Now also, in case if you have an issue with name subject, it costs 15,000 naira to submit a correction of any data to Neco. So if you have a problem with your candidate or candidates, just send us a message on our WhatsApp contact, and we will be able to resolve that for you. It costs 15,000 naira per candidate, and that includes the about 4,000 naira service fee that we help to make sure we escalate the issue directly to the Neco office, and that's our fee. So if there's any question, please feel free to put it up on the comment section and we'll get back to you. Thank you.